I'm mad as hell. Yeah, well, yeah, I'm mad as hell. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's a very prescient call by you, if you don't mind me saying so. Yeah, I'd be more Peter Finch than William Holden. My position on this is pretty clear.
Yeah.
Newstalk isn't RTE because we don't get a license fee. Point one. I think it is a crock of you know what to suggest that Pat Kenny doesn't vote, or that Pat Kenny doesn't have an opinion, or that Joe Duffy doesn't vote and Joe Duffy has an opinion. I actually think that it's wrong to pretend that you don't have an opinion, you know. Like, nobody knows how Pat votes, and I respect that very much, you know. I don't know what he votes for, who he votes for. I don't know what his position is. And I respect that. I'm the opposite. Everybody knows that I've voted for Fine Gael since I first got the vote, you know. Now, I think it's important for people to know that, because people can then make a decision when I'm interviewing whoever I'm interviewing. They know where I'm coming from.